Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock Cash App Green Status and where to find it inside your Cash App account. I'll also explain what it takes to qualify and the benefits you get once it's activated. First, let's talk about how Green Status works. To unlock it, you need to spend more than $500 per month using your Cash App debit card. This is the free debit card Cash App provides. Inside the app, you can actually track your progress and see how close you are to reaching Green Status at any time. Once you qualify, the benefits increase significantly. Compared to the standard base level, Green Status gives you more custom offers every week, increasing from 2 to 5. Your borrowing limit goes up, and your free overdraft limit increases to as much as $200 depending on eligibility. Your savings APY also improves, going from a lower base rate up to a higher interest rate. On top of that, in-network ATM withdrawal fees drop to zero, paper money deposits become free, and you gain priority customer support, which means faster help when you need it. Now let me show you where to find this inside the Cash App. When you open Cash App, you'll land on the main screen. The $ at the bottom is highlighted, showing your balance, or a bank icon if your balance is zero. Tap on that dollar amount or bank icon on the left side. This opens your Money section. Near the middle of the screen, just below the Add Money option, you'll see Cash App Green with an Earn Status indicator. Tap on that. On the next screen, scroll down and select Earn Green Status. This will take you to the same Green Status overview page where you can see your progress, eligibility requirements, and all the benefits we talked about earlier. That's exactly how you unlock and track Cash App Green Status. If you want to learn more tips and features to get the most out of your Cash App account, check out the next video on your screen and keep learning.